Mama, you're welcome. Mama, please, who is this?
Clinton Ogene. Ogene Clinton. You will not even allow your mother to enter before asking me all these rubbish questions. Nabiko, come and give me food. I'm hungry.
Sorry, Mama.
Come and give us food. Ne, come fast.
Who is she?
Osiso.
Mama.
Bianne, sit down. Eh?
Mama,
Lana, sit down here.
Mama, there's no food in the house. I usually order food when I want to eat.
Clinton is again. You usually order food, restaurant food, for me to eat. You see why I've been begging you to get married? December. Clinton, I know that you are a very busy man. I know that your work is stressful. I also know that you do not have single time for yourself. That is why you need an oriako, an odoziako, a woman that will come and take care of this wealth that I am seeing. And most importantly, cook healthy meals for you. Not all this restaurant food that they don't even care about your health. All they care about is their profit. Anyway, I came with enough food stuff. And I know my way to your kitchen. I will go in there, prepare something good and healthy for you to eat. Because as I'm looking at you, your face is already getting lean because of restaurant food. Diane, pick your things. Let's go. Straight to the kitchen. Let's go and cook. Ozibo. Keep moving. Eh? Ole, Mua. Restaurant food, Clinton. Ha! Ozibo, let's go to the room and drop our things.
Mama, you can come in. Mom, why do you keep knocking on the door when you know I'm the only one here?
Chukwuemeka, that is exactly my problem. Eh? At your age, are you supposed to be the only one in this room? Eh, Chukwuemeka? You will soon be 35 years. Now, take a good look at yourself. Nwoke Udachi, handsome man, tall, okulo okuchie, lollipop omunwa. So what exactly is your problem? Eh? Why can't you just pick a woman, bring her to me, have mercy on your mother, and give me grandchildren? Eh? Is that too much to ask, Chukwuemeka?
Mom, are we still on this topic? But I told you that I'm here to find someone.
That is still my problem. Eh? You are doing very well. Financially stable. You are handsome, like I said. So why can't you find a woman? Look, let me tell you. No woman in our village will reject you. With this cuteness, no woman will reject you. Eh? That's why I've been begging you. Come down to the village. Pick a God-fearing woman from a good home and get married to. Eh?
Yes, Mama, I hear you. God-fearing woman, yes. A good woman, yes. Mama, I've been to the village and I still haven't found anyone. And you don't expect me to keep traveling to the village every single time to look for a woman. Mama, and those girls are not my spec.
It's a spec. Kekwanu nkebo spec. Eh, Chukwuemeka? Eh? No, why are you laughing now? Kekwanu nkebo spec. With all the beautiful women in our village, you cannot find your spec. Nah, Biagodu. Tell me, I am your mother. Is there any problem? At least let me find solution. Eh? Let me start going to all these herbal people to give me medicine for you.
Mom, there is no problem. Not at all.
Then get me a wife now. Eh? You bring wife and give me grandchildren. Which one is there is no problem, but there is problem? Clinton.
Mom?
Clinton.
Yes, Mom.
Clinton, if I wait for you and you do not take action, I will take your uncles and go and pay dowry of a very good girl from a good home and bring her to the city for you.
Mom, do they still do that in this day and age?
Watch me, Chukwuemeka. Watch me. Since you have decided not to do anything, I cannot fold my arms as your mother. I will do something. Watch me, because you will see me with a wife very soon.
Mom, it's okay. I need to get to work, okay? So come, let me drop you off at the park.
I will come. How about Annie Jane? You are ready for it? Hey, come and drop me. Every time I bring this topic, you're always in a hurry. We'll surprise you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I didn't see you at the front desk when I walked in.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I was at the restroom.
Okay, that's fine. So what are the updates for today?
Okay, so Chief Douglas booked an appointment for tomorrow. And he said he got to know about the office tree referral.
That's good. It means that our work is speaking for itself.
Oh, yes, it does.
Awesome. So any other thing?
None for now.
All right then. Thank you.
I'll be at my desk.
Douglas. Wow.
What up, boss man?
Leo, how's it going, man?
I'm alright, man. Listen, have you heard the good news though? Chief Douglas.
Of course.
Yeah. Dogs Conglomerate wants to partner with our company. That's great news, man.
That's great news, man. She already brought in the details and they're right here. So hopefully we'll get to work with them and we can clinch this job.
Nice. I really like that. Listen, so, the secretary tells me that you're having a meeting with him in the box for tomorrow.
Yes, he'll be here in flesh.
Nice. Bro, this is huge for our company, man.
Of course, this is huge, man. And tomorrow, everybody has to be in their top shape.
Nice.
All right?
I'm ready, bro. Whatever you need, I got you. Listen, bro, just looking at you on that chair right now with this portfolio in your hands, all I can see is Forbes 30 under 30.
Let's go.
This is about to put us on the map.
Let's go.
Wow, this is nice.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
So, what can we do for you?
A lot. And that's why I'm here. I need a good promotion for a new brand. You see, this brand is a plus to my empire. And it is very dear to me. Once a good promotion is made, I will be dedicating it to my late wife, the only woman I ever loved.
First of all, sir, please do accept our condolences.
Thank you.
Secondly, sir, you have come to the right place.
I was meant to understand that you are the best in town in PR and advertising.
Yes, sir.
I would like you to collaborate with graphics and animation company that has worked for me a few months ago. And they are good. They are very good.
Sir, we already have people that we work with who require such expertise.
Mr. Clinton, I insist. You see, the same way I want your company on board, same way I trust these people. I so much trust them. They are good. Yes.
All right, sir. That's fine. I would like to have a meeting with them before we proceed.
That is no issue. There's no problem. You will love their job as much as I do. Though they are new in town, but they are the best. Try them and you'll see. Yes.
All right, sir.
Good.
All right, let me get all the important details from you so we can proceed.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. That's exactly what I told him. I told him that I have people who can handle such expertise, but he insists otherwise. All right, that's fine. Anyway, let me call you back. My mom is calling. All right, bye. Hello, Mama.
Good evening, my son. Are you home safely now?
Yes, Mama, I'm back from work.
Okay. I just wanted to check on you, Clinton.
Oh, that's wonderful, Mama. Thank you.
And also to tell you that I have found a beautiful flower for you.
Mama, what flower again? Mama, I just came back from work and I'm tired.
I know. That's why I don't want you to say anything. Just do the listening. Oh, Mom, you know, if I do not take this thing serious, I know you, Clinton. You obviously won't. I have noticed that your work takes all your time. And I know that your work is so stressful. So as to maintain this your newfound wealth, that is why I have taken it upon myself to do the right thing. Because you are not getting any younger.
Yes, come in.
Sir, the MD from Space Creatives is here for the meeting. She said she was sent in by Chief Douglas.
Okay, please send her in.
Okay, sir.
You!
You? MD?
Are you the MD of the graphic company that Chief said I should work with? Me! Look, I'm going to call Chief right now and tell him that that's not happening. He needs to send me more competent people. If not, I'll get people myself.
Excuse you? No, hello, what? Competence. As in me. Clinton, you know fully well that my name and incompetence can never be in the same sentence. So please, can you stop acting up and get to work? What's wrong with you? Oh, I get it. You're scared. Yeah, you fear me. Because why are you shaking? It's because you're scared of me, right?
Really?
I know you. I see you. I know you've been hiding behind other people's work to act CEO. We both know that you're nothing but a leech who feed off other people's work. And you see, right now, I'm going to prove to Chief and the world that you are a coward and a nobody with no skills.
Are you serious? Okay then, so let's kickstart Chief's project and see who gets fired halfway in. Are you ready to take that challenge?
It's not a challenge. I'm going to beat you hands down. Fine. Let's get started.
You!
You? MD?
I and my team have been expecting a detailed copy of the animation. And it's still not yet in my office. Are you telling me that you're not qualified enough for this job?
I pretend I didn't hear what you just said, Mr. Clinton. I'd advise that we keep this whole thing strictly professional. Plus, you have to watch your utterances. Check your email. We're going to be working with CGI, and we'll have to incorporate a little bit of ultimate work just to give the ad a trending feel. And we'll have to work with 3 and 2D dimensions.
This was such a stressful day, wasn't it? Woo! Damn. Wow. Listen, to be very honest with you though, I have a strong feeling about this Chief Douglas's job. I feel like this is the kind of business that puts our company on the map. Honestly, and this chick that he paired us with, this lady she's a star. She's fire. She knows her onions. Every time she's always walking as though she has something to prove. Man, I have a very good feeling about this business. Like, can't wait, man.
You know, Amanda is my ex.
Your ex? Wait, I don't understand. Was this like before I met you? Like, when did this happen?
We parted ways long before I even made it big.
Oh. Okay, now I get it. Is this why she's always trying to prove something to you?
Nah, bro. It's because you don't know Amanda. Amanda has always been like that. You know, she's extremely smart, resilient, industrious, and way over her head. In fact, she left me because she was trying to chase her dreams. She thought I wasn't up to her standards.
What? That's crazy, dog. You are not up to our standard. That's crazy. That's just not unbelievable. What? That's crazy now.
Bro, you knew me when I had some change. You didn't know me when I was broke, bro. I was really, really broke, and all I had were my dreams. That was it. And when she saw I had nothing to facilitate our ambitions, she upped and she left. And I heard she left town afterwards, and that was it.
This actually is very sad. I'm sorry that happened to you, man.
Bro, it's all good. Can I get you something to drink?
Nah, no, I'm good, man. I just want to chill. I'm tired.
All right, man. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Mr. Clinton, honestly, I'm so impressed by the job both of you put for me. Do you know that the launch of my new brand is the most successful? Very successful. I think you two should work together more because you two are a force. Very creative. Very, very. I'm so excited. I don't know how to express my joy. Honestly.
You're welcome, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I think I have to leave now. Hmm?
All right, sir. Do have a pleasant day.
Thank you.
Okay. So now that we both have our pay, I pray that our paths never cross again.
You know you still look cute when you're angry, right?
Yes. I feel good. I feel good. Oh my God, sir, I am so glad that Chief loves this project. You know, he was so excited and gave me a check.
I see.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you, boss.
Anyway, I have to get back to work, so I guess I'll talk to you later.
Okay, that's fine. I will just be at my desk. I feel good.
really good, bro. Listen, we killed it. And I have a feeling that Chief is going to recommend us to all his friends. We're about to be in business, baby.
Well, I'm not so sure. Except for the ones who will be in control of everything, then maybe.
Wait, is this about your ex? Because you and I know that this is supposed to be a business relationship. Not an avenue for you to sort out your past relationship issues. Guy, come on now.
Look, I just don't enjoy working with her. I actually hated working with her. She's impossible. And she's very disrespectful.
I understand. Bro, trust me, I get it. And I don't think you should let anyone disrespect you, not even your ex. Especially when you have earned your place at the top of the marketing space in this country. Guy, you built this thing from the ground up. See, Chief comes to you first. She comes second. I think you shouldn't let anything that you had with that lady in the past or her arrogance, rob you of all the money that we stand to make from Chief.
I just don't like her energy. And I don't want that kind of energy around me.
Yeah, I don't like her energy either, but I'm just saying, no be your ex go make us lose money. Do you understand? Like, we can't leave money on the table. That's all I'm saying. Either we find a way to work with her or we get rid of her. I don't know, but like, we can't leave money on the table.
Who's that? Mama, you're welcome. Mama, please, who is this?
Clinton Ogene. Ogene Clinton. You will not even allow your mother to enter before asking me all these rubbish questions. Nabiko, come and give me food. I'm hungry.
Sorry, Mama.
Come and give us food. Ne, come fast. Osiso.
Mama.
Biane, sit down. Eh?
Mama,
sit down here.
Mama, there's no food in the house. I usually order food when I want to eat.
Clinton is again. You usually order food. Restaurant food for me to eat. You see why I've been begging you to get married? December. Clinton, I know that you are a very busy man. I know that your work is stressful. I also know that you do not have single time for yourself. That is why you need an oriako, an odoziako, a woman that will come and take care of this wealth that I am seeing. And most importantly, cook healthy meals for you. Not all this restaurant food that they don't even care about your health. All they care about is their profit. Anyway, I came with enough food stuff. And I know my way to your kitchen. I will go in there, prepare something good and healthy for you to eat. Because as I'm looking at you, your face is already getting lean because of restaurant food. Then, pick your things. Let's go. Straight to the kitchen. Let's go and cook. Ozibo. Keep moving. Eh? Ole. Mua. Restaurant food, Clinton. Ha! Ozibo, let's go to the room and drop our things. Mama, I think it's ready. You'll come and test it. So fast. What else? Nkechi.
Mama.
Hey, this is good. This soup is tasty. I know my son will like this one. As a matter of fact, this is his favorite soup.
Yeah.
This is so nice. Eh? Let's wash up everything so that we will go and Nkechi. You know why you are here. Do not forget the reason why you are here and make sure you act accordingly. You have to package yourself. Hey, don't go and start behaving. I know my son. Elania, you remember all the lectures I gave you?
Yes, Mama.
Hey, say so, so that we'll save him. No. I know you're hungry. The food is ready. I know it's the aroma that brought you in.
Mama, before we talk about the food, you are yet to tell me who this lady is and what she's doing here.
Oh, give me Chukwuemeka. Eh? We just came into your house. We have not spent up to 2 hours. Who is this girl? Who is this girl? Ngwa, let me tell you who Nkechi is. Nkechi here has been helpful to me in the village. You remember that time I told you I was sick? I told you I was sick. And you know that I don't have helper. It was Nkechi that came around. She cleaned for me, cooked for me. There was nothing she did not do. I did not lift a finger. Looking at it, and I said, okay, since I'm alone in the village, let her come and start living with me. That was how Nkechi started living with me. As I'm coming to the city now, you know I cannot leave her in the village. That was why I brought her with me. Is there any other thing? I'm going to go and sit down. Let us serve you quality, healthy food. It's not all those restaurant food that you eat that are making your jaw to drop. Nah, go and sit down. You need to taste this Nkechi soup. You really need to taste. Ofe akwaka with it. Nah, smile. Which one are you just doing your face like this? Now go to the parlor. We will serve you very soon. Hey. Ngwa, go. Nkechi, be fast. Where is the apple? Be fast. Where is the apple?
He's inside the car. Is here, Mama?
Yes, come in.
I'm done with the fire, sir.
Let me have it.
Yeah. So, I have to sign here.
You know, I think I have to say this today.
And so I'm just showing you where...
I'm talking about your mode of dressing to the office. It's very alarming.
Sorry. I don't understand what you mean, sir.
Your buttons are open and it's very unprofessional in a working space like this.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know. Maybe just open them. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That'll be all. I'll look at the documents myself. Thank you.
Okay, sir. So he gets distracted by me now, huh? You run nowhere, baby boy. It's just a matter of time. Brother Clinton, food is ready. Should I serve it at the dining?
No, you can bring it here. It's fine. Mm.
Nkechi. Nkechi.
Sir!
Please come.
Sir.
Who taught you how to cook like this?
My mother.
Your mother? Wow. Really? Hmm. Your mother raised you well.
Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
Everybody says that.
Hmm. 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 Also, I noticed you speak very well. Did you get some level of education?
Yes, I've finished secondary, sir.
Oh, that's good. What about the university? Do you have any plans of getting into one?
Uh, yes, sir. If I get the funds, I will.
Hmm. Okay. I just called you to tell you that your food is really nice. And as you can see, I'm enjoying it.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy your meal.
I will. Yes, come in.
So here's the file you requested.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sir, tomorrow is my birthday. I'll be turning big 30.
Wow, that's great. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you. Um, I'll be throwing the party tomorrow and you are invited.
You'll be throwing a party?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. I'll see what my schedule is saying for tomorrow, and if it's clear, then...
Oh, sir, please. I mean, you're my boss and I really want you to be in my party. It's my big 30. So please.
Well, I'm not making any promises, but I'll take a look at my schedule and see if it's possible.
Okay, sir, but please. I want you to be there. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Ah, Brother Clinton, welcome, sir.
Thank you. Why are you cleaning the house again? I saw you doing this before I left to work.
I noticed it got dirty again. Maybe because of the weather. I don't know.
I see. You are a very clean lady.
Thank you, sir.
But I'd like you to do me a favor and stop wearing wrapper around the house. I mean, I could have been coming in with a friend or a colleague and I wouldn't want them to see you dressed like this.
I'm sorry. I didn't know, sir. Sorry.
It's okay.
Thank you so much for coming around.
I really appreciate it. I mean, it was a beautiful get together.
Thank you.
All right, I'll take my leave.
All right, please drive safe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Careful. Do you think it will come? Who is that?
Hey,
Hi, you came.
I guess I'm late for the party.
We had to finish early so people could, go home.
Okay, that's great. I got you this. I wanted to deliver the gift myself.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Okay, please sit. Let me get you something to drink.
No, I have to get back home. I took out like about 30 minutes to be here to make sure that you get your gift.
But you just can't come to my party and want to leave, even if we are done. But
Yes, but I'm kind of pressed for time, so I'll have to leave.
please, just a glass of drink, please.
Just one glass.
One glass.
All right.
All right. Please sit. I'll be right back.
Mama, just calm down now, eh? Take it easy.
Chelo. Help! Chineke, no. Help! Chibo. Hey! He's not picking. He's not picking this call.
Mama, he will come back. Just calm down. He will come back.
Hey! Clinton is not picking. Clinton is not picking his call.
Just calm down. He will come
Just
back.
birthday. He said he was going to birthday yesterday. Till now, I've not seen him since yesterday. Are you not in this house? Eh? Are you not in this house?
I know.
Was his birthday? Was his birthday?
Mama, let's be positive. Nothing will happen to him. He will come back, please. God forbid, Mama, don't say that now.
God forbid! Oh, kidnappers.
Mama, stop being negative. Stop being negative.
Chineke, finished. I am finished.
Mama,
help!
Mama, Mama, go now.
Hey, Clinton Chukwuemeka, where are you? Where is Clinton? Where is Clinton? Hi,
Hey, he will come back. It's okay.
God, please. God, do not let anything happen to my
Mama,
son.
nothing will happen to him.
Because I will die. I will die. Help! Clinton,
It's okay, it's okay.
What happened here?
Oh, good morning, baby.
There's nothing good about the morning. What happened here?
Oh, you came to give me my birthday present last night. And then we had the best time of our lives.
What?
Let's finish.
No.
Why are you acting like this?
I cannot do this with you. I can't.
How? Were you all over me last night? You were screaming, baby, harder. Oh my God. Oh.
Hello? Clinton? Huh? Hey, Clinton, you finally picked your call.
Yes, Mama.
It's an Bay. Where are you?
I'm at the gate.
By the gate. Help! Chineke, Daluo. Help! Open the gate for him. Open the gate for my son, Bikonu. Help! Clinton Chukwuemeka, you want to kill me, eh? Clinton, do you want to kill me before my time? Ogene, eh? Do you want to kill me? Where were you and what happened?
Mama, I'm sorry. I know that what I did was irresponsible. And I won't do it again.
Was me responsible? I said, what happened? Where were you?
Mama, I'm ashamed to tell you where I was.
Clinton. Chelu kwawo. Chelu. Clinton. Does this have anything to do with a woman? Hey! I am finished. Clinton, so everything I have been telling you about city girls, it will just enter from this ear and jump out from this other ear. So you have not been listening. Clinton, Ngwa, tell me, how many of our village people that marry city girls are still with their wife? They are all divorced. Clinton, why can't you just listen to your mother? Why can't you just listen to me and do it the way they do it in the olden days? Where a young man will come to the village, pick a good and respectable wife from an amazing family and get married to. Is that too much to ask?
Mama, please, I am tired. I have to get to work.
Osim, I'm tired. Look at somebody that did not allow me sleep. I've been stressed since. Which responsible girl will keep a man from yesterday night until this morning? I know that girl is irresponsible. I know that girl does not have a job. She's just feeding off you. Which girl will know that a man will go to work in the morning and let him sleep over till this time? Chai! So Clinton has a serious girlfriend in this city, and I did not know. Serious enough to make him sleep over. Hi!
Mama, no need now. Let me go inside and pack my things and be going back to the village.
Osi, no need. Nebiko, come back here. What do you mean by no need? Now that you are closer to him than ever, we are talking about going. Just just this small battle you cannot find.
Mama, but you heard him. He said he has somebody.
Relax. Am I not his mother? Am I not Clinton's mother? Look, I have something I have been nursing since. I have money I saved somewhere. You see all these things that Clinton is looking for in all these city girls. I have enough money to package you. By the time Clinton sees you, is it not my son? I know that he will fall flat for you. Don't worry. I will take you shopping and decorate you. He said, by the time you're working, just bring out here and take care back. Engine plan, my dear. My dear, come in, let's go inside. This one small battle you are giving up. Okay, Nede. Clinton.
21 minutes past 1 p.m. and you're just coming to work at this time. Jesus Christ, did you even check your mails? What incompetence!
Look, this is my office and not yours.
Your office is affecting my work, my brand, and my company. Check your mail. Chief's friend wants us to work together. He wants our company to come in collaboration so we can do a PR for his new product. That's why I'm here, for the meeting. So let's get to work.
I thought you said you'd never work with me again.
Proudly, I did say so. But when it comes to Chief, I will work with the devil to make that man happy. Because he gave me a chance when no one else believed in me. So let's get to work. Check your email. You came to work after 1 p.m. and you're still trying to sleep.
Let me see how my son will resist you when you start dressing so hot and sexy. He thinks we do not know the secret of the city. I have shopped for you. Come and see fine clothes. I didn't know they had beautiful clothes like that there. Hey, check this one. Check this one.
Yes.
Hey, see this one. Easy and care.
See the colors now. So pretty.
Let me see how Clinton will resist you. Oh, Subrila.
Mama.
It is time to go into serious action. No time to waste. So you have to start going inside to test them one after the other so that we'll see the one that will be the hook when he comes back. You know, first impression counts. The first one you will immediately enters and sees you. Carry this bag.
Mama, should I wear the wigs?
Hi, if the manas.
Mama. I'll wear them.
Hi. Biankechi, did you remember how I taught you to walk?
Mama, yes.
Did you remember my lecture? Oh yeah. Second. Let me see how Clinton will stand this one. Clinton thinks he has sense. He doesn't know that I'm senior in this game. Hey! Chineke, if I shape. Hi! Wow, they're so beautiful.
Thank God I was able to achieve something reasonable today.
What is that supposed to mean? We both had a productive day at work today. Why do you keep insinuating that you did this yourself?
We. Did you work? Did you contribute to the work of today? Did you? Go back to sleep, princess.
Welcome, Brother Kington.
Thank you.
Let me help you with your bag.
Let's go. Thank you. Hold up. You look different.
Sir, what? I didn't change. I didn't do anything.
What I meant was your dresses. They look nice.
Thank you, sir.
This our change of wardrobe, this new clothes strategy, how is it going? Mama?
I don't even know what happened. That day he came back, I went to carry his bag. He was looking at
I told you.
He's looking at me.
Is it not? Is a man? Men will never change. I gave him 2 weeks, just that day.
He just that step that you thought I should be walking.
That's second.
I was doing it.
Hey. No. It's
Oh,
okay.
my son.
It's okay. Good day, ma.
How was it there?
Very well. Enjoy yourself with Mama. I'll take this upstairs.
Welcome,
All right.
son.
Thanks, Mom.
I told you. I gave him 2 weeks. Just the first day. I know many. always be Beno.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry. Let's take this. Hello? Yeah, Destiny, can you hear me? Yeah, I tried calling you earlier before, but it wasn't going through. My car, it's malfunctioning. Yeah, please could you go to my office tomorrow morning, first thing, pick it up and, check what's wrong with it. Okay, that's fine. Just let me know when you're done. All right? Thank you. Okay. Good night.
All right, good night.
Sure.
Wait.
Are you crazy? Have you lost your mind? Did you just... Clinton, don't you... Hey, it's not funny. Don't you ever... Nonsense.
She loves me. You look beautiful.
I don't appreciate you talking outside work. Thank you. I didn't receive the file in my email. Why? You didn't work on them?
I just wanted you to get here first before I send.
Let's get to work. Thank you, Clinton.
Right. Let's get to work.
Nothing is funny. Hope you know that.
I just think you look good, that's all.
Compliments not appreciated. Get back to work.
Wow. Okay. That's impressive. So, honestly, you're telling me that you graduated from secondary school and your English is this good. That school must be a great school.
Thank you, sir.
I'm impressed. Well, I guess I have a lot of things to find out about you.
Now.
Mama.
Nne, where are you going to?
Mama, nowhere actually. I want to go and finish up what I have in the kitchen. I just thought maybe you might want to have a mother and son discussion with him.
Hi, ezigbo nwa. You can see, ezigbo nwa. Nne, ngwa go. When I'm done, I will call you. Akwe holano ya. Akwe holano ya. Ezigbo nwa. A good girl that knows that a mother wants to talk to her son without telling her is hard to find. Not these city girls that pretend up and down. Have you seen? With your 2 eyes, have you seen?
Mama, honestly, I've been observing you two.
Oh.
And I see how you guys are bonding and getting to know each other.
Emeka, I am doing what every good mother will do for her son. Let me tell you about Nkechi. Back home, Nkechi sings in the church.
Oh, wow.
Now, let me shock you. She leads prayer in her prayer group. As a matter of fact, her mother is our prayer group leader. My own group. Oh. That was how I knew Nkechi.
Oh.
And I started observing her. I started checking her out. I said, Clinton, if not that I was sharp enough, other Christian mothers would have rushed this girl. I took over. I said, Lila, it will not happen. If you know the kind of suitors that have been coming for this girl, it's just that this girl likes me. On her own, she comes to my house, she cleans, she sweeps, does everything for me without asking. Where can you find that kind of girl? Is there anyone like that in the city? Bano. That was how I just talked to her a little as she followed me to the city. Okay, Mano. So I want to beg you. The only thing I want to ask is that you open your heart and just allow this girl. I know you will like. Iga like ya, Iga like ya. I am just begging you. With time, you will get to like this girl and fall in love with her. Now you know now you are not getting any younger.
All right, Mom.
That's all right.
No problem.
That's all right.
No problem. Let's see how it goes.
Thank you. Thank you. Ezigbo nwa. Nah, let me go and join Nkechi.
Okay, Ma.
Hey. Nke! Come. Let me go and finish the work. You can come and join him. I'll see so.
Who is that?
Hi! Now! Ha! Okay, Nyemia! Nyemia! Hi! I can see that you are now seeing what I saw in Nkechi.
Well, Mom, she's not bad.
Oh!
And I'm not seeing anyone after all.
Hi! Hi! That's my son. Thank you, Nna, for listening to me. You know, when I was talking that time, you were busy shaking this your coconut head. Now, you are enjoying it. I know you will not regret this at all.
Look, Mama, you need to understand, regardless your approach, I know you mean well for me. I mean, Mama, it's just been you and I ever since Papa died. And how old was I? I think I was 12 years old.
Hi, Chukwemeka. Hi, you want to make me cry, but I will not cry because you have made me happy. Hi, now because we are going to know, we are going to know. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening to your mother. Ega like you will enjoy this girl. Nkechi is an amazing human being. You will see now. Very soon now, I will not be there. When you people will be somersaulting. You think we don't know? We know these things. Now, good night. I am very happy. I can go and sleep like a baby. Kai! Jidiosa! Kote, chai! Take it. Take Ay!
All these fine things for me. Well, Clinton, thank you. You spoiled me. The other day you sent a big amount of money to my mother in the village. And now you took me shopping to go buy me all these things. Even when I told you Mama bought me some. Thank you.
You're welcome. But please, I need you to do me a favor. All this brother that you keep calling me, I am not your brother. Okay?
Okay, Clinton, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll go and test them.
Okay. And Mom, also, one of the things I like about her is that she's very appreciative. The 200,000 I sent to her mother a while back, would you believe that she still tells me thank you up until today? Let alone the clothes that I bought for her, Mom. Some other girls will see this and they'll think it's normal, it's regular. And they won't even thank you for all the hard work. Mom, I think she's well grounded.
Clinton Chukwemeka. Akwihulania. When I was talking, trying to convince you up and down, you were just you were not here. Now you can see. I told you she is well raised. This is a girl I know to her father's house. I won't give you what will kill you now. You're not enjoying it. I mean, she appreciates you. Anyway, congratulations. I am very, very happy for you. Congratulations, now. Very soon, I know that.
Come on, please.
I should start rehearsing that. Congratulations. I'm really happy for you. Now you are saying things that are making me happy. I can now enjoy with you. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm really happy. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much. You had a good time.
Yeah.
Let me go upstairs to my room and freshen up.
Sit down. How did it go? It went well. I enjoyed myself. I told you. Give me the full detail. Leave no stone unturned. See, all the animals in the sea was in my plate. Hi! I enjoyed myself. Mama, I didn't know that this your son is romantic. Before Uncle. Do you know he served me my wine? Nah, you're looking at that handsome boy. You don't know that he's romantic. He was only forming that time. I told you. See now, today is dinner. Tomorrow might be engagement ring. And see, Mama, my hand is even fine for the engagement ring. Jidea.
Yes, come in. Thelma, why are you just coming to the office at this time? Didn't you hear what I said? I said, why are you resuming the office at this time? Messages that have been sent to your desk are still unattended to.
So I'm pregnant.
I'm sorry, what did you just say?
I'm 1 month gone already.
How is this possible? Look, I am not ready for such information. What do you mean you are pregnant? That can't be true.
But I'm 1 month pregnant already.
Look, Thelma, I just told you that I'm not ready for this kind of news. If it's a joke, you better stop it. And get back to work. What do you mean you're pregnant?
So I'm pregnant.
How am I even sure you're pregnant? Look, if this is... What?
1 month pregnant. For you, Chukwuemeka. Hey! Chukwuemeka, you have killed me. Why now? Why this time, Chukwuemeka? Okay, what will happen to Nkechi? I don't know why you know where to get keep in one place, Chukwuemeka. Okay.
Mom, I don't know how it happened. And I don't know what to do.
You see, you don't know what to do. Chukwuemeka, anything you want to do it. You must never marry that Akuna. Tell me, which loose girl gets pregnant for a man? Just like that, carelessly. And you even told me that you did not date. So how come? How come, Chukwuemeka? Let me just tell you, you will never marry that girl because we already have a woman in the house. So anything you want to do, just do it fast. Let her take care of herself. Besides, you did not date her. I don't know what your problem is. Listen to your mother. You will never listen to your mother.
What's your take on this? What do you think? Hello? Clinton? Mr. Clinton? Look, if this whole thing is going to be a burden to you, it's not really an issue. All you have to do is just come out and speak. And then Chief and I will find someone more competent and someone that is functioning so well that can work with me. We have so many people out there that will do this work for free. If you don't want to do it, just say it, okay? I can't be cracking my head and I'm talking to you, you're keeping quiet. Who does that? What's your opinion on this?
This doesn't make any sense.
I beg your pardon? No, well, hello? What? As in my work doesn't make any sense. Okay, fine, my work doesn't make sense to you. Because my work, as in my work, my level, my time, my skill, doesn't make sense to you. Okay, fine. And this is the end of it, okay? This is like the point where I get pissed. This is the end of it, and hey, if you know what, I think this is a chance for me to prove to Chief that I cannot only do my work, but your work as well. What a wrong choice.
Why did I go to that party? Why did I go to that party? Why? Why? Look, I have thought about everything. And I cannot do anything with you.
Sir, I know you're already thinking towards the negative. In fact, that's why I'm here to give you this very vital information. And it's very important to you and I. In my clan, there is this ritual they do to every first daughter during our first menses, whereby we cannot have any child outside wedlock. If we do, then the parents of the baby will become very useless in life. So this one you're looking at me like this, I'm not joking, no. This one is just jokes apart.
When you say the parents of the baby, you mean?
You and I now. Both of us. See, sir, listen, I understand the way everything happened. And even if you decide to take me as your first wife, or, pay my bride price now, marry me traditionally now, and then later you make up your mind and get married to another woman, there is no problem. Me, I will understand.
What have I done to myself?
Sir, you've not done anything to yourself.
What have I done to myself?
Nothing, sir. I'm just telling you about this whole repercussion.
What have I done to myself?
Sir.
What have I gotten myself into? What have I done to myself?
Sir, you've not done anything to
How
yourself.
did I get here?
Hey.
What have I done to myself? What? I should not have gone to that party. I should not. I mean, I was tired when I got home. How did I go for that freaking party?
I was just explaining something to him and...
What have I done to myself? I should not have gone for that party. I was tired and I went home. What took me to that party? I should not have done this to myself. What have I done?
I just explained something to him and then the next
What have I done?
he started...
What have I done to myself? What?
Relax. What's going on?
What have I done? What have I done to myself? I should have just stayed back. Now look at me. I am useless. I've messed with myself. What have I done?
Calm down.
What have I done?
Listen to me. Listen, you need to calm down, okay?
What have I done to myself?
Listen,
What have
the
I done?
investors are literally out there.
I don't care about investments. Look at me. What have I done to myself? What have I done? What have I done to myself? What have I done? What have I done to myself? What have I done?
Help! See my son. Help! Who did this to me?
Mama, calm down now.
Now that my son has made it, who did this to me?
Mama, it's okay now. The doctors have said that they are going to take care of him. There's a nurse here that's looking after him 2/4/7. It's a nurse.
Now that Chukwemeka has made it when we were suffering in the village, Chukwemeka did not
Madam,
go
please
back.
calm down. Calm down.
Oh, Jimo!
Mama, calm down now.
Hey! Chukwemeka, Biko. Oh, Jesus! My son! Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Chukwemeka, pity your father, please. Chukwemeka, please. Have mercy on me. Help! Chukwuemeka! Help! Chineke! Somebody help me!
Mama said I should give you. Jesus! Are you stupid? Eh?
You must be stupid.
Oh, I'm stupid. You're obviously a madman. You don't have sense.
You are obviously the mad one between us.
Look at this idiot.
Look at this fool.
You know what? I don't blame you. It's your mother that I blame. Eh? She didn't tell me that madness runs in your family and she wants you to marry a madman.
I don't blame you for calling me mad when you are the one that is mad.
Look, I am giving you a week or two. If you don't get better, I'll just leave you. I didn't bargain for this nonsense. What's this?
You are mad.
You don't have sense.
What are you doing to me?
Just look at you. Look at you. Useless man. I should come and marry a madman. For what? Fine girl like me.
Fine boy like me should marry a mad girl like you. You are crazy.
See who is talking. Do you even have sense? Have you seen yourself? Have you seen yourself? Ritualist. No, how will you explain all this wealth? Eh? How will you explain all this wealth? Stupid man, madman. You poured me water. Ah, Jesus, God. Let me not catch this nonsense that you have. Oh.
You are crazy.
See who is talking. Ah, this madness has really entered.
Remove this chain. Let me bite you.
You will bite me.
I will eat you like apple.
You will eat me like... I will bite you too. Oh. Me too, they mad. I will bite you too. Oh, look at him. You want to marry a fine girl like me with your madness. You better get well. I will just live here. I did not bargain for this nonsense.
Remove this chain and I will bite you.
Look at this man.
I will bite you.
Look at
I
him.
remove this chain and I will bite you.
Oh yeah. I will bite you too.
Ogenekwa, what is going on here?
Ogeneka. Where did you go to? Didn't they tell you to take care of him? Eh? Ogeneka.
You Unko, can't you take care of him? Is he not your man?
Which man?
Your man is mad and you cannot take care of him. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Are you okay?
Are you not his woman? Are you his woman?
Me, woman to a madman.
God
forbid.
Now you
God
and your entire
forbid.
generation.
God forbid. Mad people everywhere.
I will show this girl.
Hey!
This girl, I will show you mad.
Oh, hi. Good morning, Miss Amanda.
Good morning. Where is Mr. Clinton?
Please have a seat. Miss Amanda, unfortunately, Clinton is on sick leave. But as his deputy, I'm representing him to this meeting. Please have a seat.
Sick.
Yes.
Sick? How? When? What is he sick of? What happened?
Miss Amanda, unfortunately, I cannot disclose the details of his illness. But I can assure you that the nurses and the doctors are more than capable of saving him.
Saving him? That means it's serious. Which hospital is that?
Miss Amanda, I have told you, I'm more than capable of taking care of the
What
business.
hospital?
It's time for your medication. Here you go, take. What's your problem? Eh? I gave you your medication, you're playing with it. Eh? Show you the mad. Sit down, I beg, take. I beg, open this, take your drug, Biko. Ah.
Good day, ma'am.
You? You! You gotta go now.
Mama, you need to calm down, okay? We actually came here because we wanted Clinton to sign some papers.
What is wrong with all of you? Get him to do what? In this state, how do you expect him to sign any document now? What is wrong with everybody?
I didn't know it had gotten to this point.
Please leave!
I'm sorry, ma. I'll check back tomorrow, ma.
Please take your medication. It's fine. It's fine. Chukwuemeka, be cool. Go. Take your medicine. Hi, Chukwuemeka, be cool. Mercy on your mother. See, medicine.
Could you please check your email? I sent you a mail now.
Hey. This is what you sent me?
Yes, my it's something wrong.
You're not getting it. It's not working. You're pulling me back. You see on this since how many days? You're still working on this?
I looked at the numbers. You know I cannot be as good as my boss. I did my best.
Then you should... When is he coming back?
To be honest with you, I don't know, ma.
That's it. You don't know. Yes, you can't do what you used to do.
I'm just...
Hey, baby.
Relax.
Oh, come off it. I actually checked if there was anyone there before I walked into your office. Your office? You know, it actually looks good on you, and I can't wait for our plans to materialize so you can finally take over.
Well, the truth is, our plans are already materializing.
Ooh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. The way Clinton is looking, he's not coming back anytime soon.
You better not.
So it's only a matter of time until this entire company is out.
Okay. Okay, so let me go to his house so he can quickly sign that document and we can pick it up from there.
Nice.
Right.
Very nice. Just hurry back to me, okay?
Definitely.
Because we're about to be multi-billionaires.
Alright, baby. Honestly, sir, I'm really looking forward to your recovery. In fact, I pray for you every day.
I just concluded a 7 days fasting and prayer on your behalf so you could recover quick. And I know that what God cannot do does not exist. You will recover soon in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Amen. Thank you so much, Thelma. Thank you so much. Please, just continue praying for him. Just look at my son.
No problem, Mama. And Mama, you don't have to keep thanking me anytime I come here. I'm just doing my job.
Thelma,
Mama.
thank you again. You and Liu has shown me that some strangers can become siblings. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mama.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad that Oga now signs the signature without hassles now, unlike before.
Yeah, it happens. We have seen patients that still remember the signature. That's because they make their hands every day, so they've gotten used to it.
Oh, I see. At least now it has helped us in this dark moment. Yes. Thank you so much, nurse. God bless you. You are doing a really great job. All right, Mama, I will be taking my leave.
So soon?
Mama, I have a lot to do at the office. A lot.
At least have something to eat.
Mama, thank you. Okay, when next I come, I will. I have a lot of work at the office to do.
Thank you. Thank you again, Thelma. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Mama. Bye. Babe, when is the payment coming in? No, we need to move fast before Clinton recovers.
Who?
Clinton.
Are you serious? But you think Clinton is going to recover anytime soon?
I mean, the last time I checked, he was talking a bit fluently.
And when was this last time you saw him? 2 weeks, honey. 2 weeks ago. Babe, listen. I visit Clinton every single morning. And that guy is not recovering anytime soon. Okay? He's a vegetable. Do you understand?
Wait. You mean Clinton is getting worse?
He's more or less dead.
Good. Good. I just hope he never recovers, So we can have all of this to ourselves. And the money we have to, You know what?
What?
We'll sell this company.
Yeah?
We don't need it. We'll sell it and travel. First class to Santorini.
I like that.
Really?
I like that.
Are you
sure?
Okay. So tell me tonight, is it my house or your house?
Whatever you want us to do.
You sure?
We can go right here.
Oh.
I'm ready.
No. I can't sleep over yet. I told you I stay with my auntie and she's very strict. Don't worry, I'm working on something. I promise. I'll call you later. Mama.
What are you doing here?
I don't know who spilled oil on the floor, so I'm trying to get something to clean it up.
Oil.
See it now.
Who else stays in this house if no? Please leave it, Leave it. You have to be with my son. Just leave everything you're doing now, finish up. Go and be with your fiancé.
Mama.
Which one is Mama? Have you forgotten what the doctor said? He said that He needs familiar faces around. And he needs to be with those people he loves. Please, just go and stay with him. I will finish this whole thing. It's not an issue. You know what? I will finish it. Isn't all this oil?
Okay.
I will go and bring something and clean it. Oil.
What am I even doing here? Nkechi, what are you still waiting for? I have suffered. I have tried my best. I just thank God. I just thank God that He has vindicated me. So this is how I would have ended up with a madman. Hey! God forbid me, Nkechi, marry a madman. I need to compensate myself. I need to compensate myself for the time wasted. Will I take? This one is for time wasted. Babe, I was just about calling you. Yes. Yes, plans has changed. I'm coming over. But this time around, I'm coming to stay. You know you're the best thing that has happened to me since I came to the city. And from tonight, I will show you how much I appreciate you. Yes. I'll see you soon. Bye. Madman. Is there any other thing I can take?
Nkechi. Nkechi. Hi. A naive girl I brought from the village to my son's house. I never saw this coming. Nkechi, you packed my son's things, stole his valuables, and ran out of this house. Just because of what? My son is now mad. Nkechi, it shall never be well with you. Nkechi, you will not know peace wherever you are. Nkechi, you will suffer. You will suffer. You will pay me evil for my good. Nkechi, you will suffer. You will never be successful. I lay this curse on you today. You will never see good in your life. Hi. You left me here, stranded with my son. I curse you the day, Nkechi. It shall never be well with you. I have said it, and so shall it be. You will never know peace.
What? Wait, wait. Mama, you mean she even took his accessories? Why are people wicked? What kind of wickedness is this? Who will take advantage of a disadvantaged person?
You know what pains me the most? I was the one that brought her to my son's house. We would have arrested her mother. But the truth is that we mothers, most times we don't know that our children are spoiled. They pretend to us at home. Let me tell you, do you know that the only city this girl has traveled to is Onitsha, where her uncle lives? I never knew Nkechi was a wolf in sheep clothing. I am shocked. I am shocked though.
I don't. Oh, God.
Nkechi. Hi, welcome. You can sit.
How is he doing?
I mean, as you can see, sometimes he just stares into thin air for long hours. Sometimes he's quiet, sometimes he gets really aggressive.
Clinton. I know you can pull through this. I know. And yes, you can. I have seen you work. I have seen you make sacrifices. And this is not going to tie you down. You can't let it. Clinton, I have seen you overcome so much in the past. All the storms, you overcame them. I believe this too, you're going to overcome it. I watch you overcome the storm of poverty. I watch you work your way from bottom to top. I watch you build an empire. I see how people look up to you. I see how men admire you. You're strong. You are even stronger than you can ever imagine. You're the CEO of the biggest marketing company in this country. You can't let this illness weigh you down. Please, you have to fight for yourself. You have a company, an empire that you've worked so hard to build, waiting for you. You have work, you have people that are waiting for you. And so, I'm not even asking. I'm not even demanding. I am telling you, you have to come back to it. Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my daughter. I am grateful you visited. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm sorry guys, I need to take my leave now. I have a meeting to catch in half an hour.
Thank you so much, my son.
Yeah.
You have tried. Thank you. You have been with your friends since morning. I appreciate.
It's okay, ma. You know, the doctor said that he needs his loved ones around him so he can pull through this. So don't worry, I will always come around.
Thank you.
Yes, ma.
Let me see you to the door.
Okay, that's fine, ma. Miss Amanda.
I'll see you, Leo. Thank you so much.
It's time to eat. Okay, open. Open, open, open. My friend, open your mouth. Open your mouth. Oh, you like stressing me. What is your problem? Eh? Oh yeah, will you eat your food? Will you eat your food, one?
Hey! What are you doing?
Madam, who are you?
Are you crazy? Will you take your hands off him?
I'm doing my job. Mind your business.
Which stupid job? Is that how you were trained? Is that how you treat your patients? My friend, take your hands off him. Have you lost your mind? What is wrong with you? Look, I've seen you act so unprofessional to him, but you have to stop it. Do you hear me?
Madam, mind your business. My only concern is for him to eat and get better.
And you have to force him and pull his clothes?
Would
you get your hands off him? Are you mad? Get your hands off him! Now step aside. I said move. The audacity. Yeah, better. Let me show you how it's been done. Do you have to be wild and savage? He's sick. He's not helpless. Hey. I know it's tough. I know it's not been easy with you. But you can't keep up like this. Okay? I can tell you for free that things have not been the same ever since you left the company. It's been hard. For me and for everyone. I know I have never admitted that you're important, or that you're hardworking and you're intelligent, you're skillful, you're smart. But Clinton, you know you are. So I beg you, can you help yourself? Look what she's doing. You can't put up with this. You can't continue with this. That is why I'm begging you with everything in me. Look what you left. Your work, your company, your sweat, the sacrifices. Everything is just hanging. And there is no one to take over your sacrifice and your hard work. It is you that we want. It is you that I want. I saw you build that company from scratch. The investment, the rejection, nepotism, classism. I saw people turn you down several times. I saw people reject you. Fine, I wasn't there, but we work in the same space, the same job, and so news goes round. I know how hard you work. I know you're in there and I know you can hear me. Clinton, please. If you must get better, you have to eat, so your medications can work on you. But you keep saying no to food. You're not eating, so how do you expect to get better? I beg you. Just small. Yeah? I promise, if you eat, I'll let you be. Just eat. As in, open your mouth and eat. That's what I want. Please. Here. Eat and eat. Open your mouth and eat now. What do you want? At this point, what do you want me to do? It's very hard. I beg. Just eat. Just eat small. Please. Okay, fine. Fine. Let's try again, okay? All I want you to do is just open your mouth. Take the food, chew, and then you swallow. I promise if you do 1, 2, 3, highest 4 or 5, I'll let you be. Deal? Fine, deal. Here. Good. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you. You're doing so well. Thank you. One more. One more. Thank you.
You held my hand when I had none. Stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain. You held my hand when I had none. Stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain.
My daughter, thank you so much. Thank you. Honestly, I can't believe this. Ever since you've been here, Clinton has stopped being aggressive. Thank you.
I'm not doing this for you, Ma. Neither am I here for you. I'm just doing this for humanity purpose. And of course, people like us still exist. So please, stop thanking me. Do you want water? Okay, that's fine. Maybe when you relax, you can take it.
You held my hand when I had none. Stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain. You held my hand when I had none. Stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain. She's here for love, never to let you go again. You're the one for me. Oh, your heart is mine.
You know what? Whatever that rude woman is doing on Clinton is actually working. She practically lives there. She cooks for him. She feeds him. She sings him lullaby just before he goes to bed. I know what I saw the last time I was there. We have to work things up fast. Clinton will recover anytime soon. Yes. Babe, see, we have to wrap things up. And we have to walk real fast. I have to take my money and leave this place. Someone cannot come and steal my shine. You can't just sit there and be looking at me like that. Act fast. Act fast. We need to do something, Leo. You know what? I'll just be at my desk and then you think about it.
Never to let you go again. You're the one for me. Oh, your heart is my home. She's here for love, true love. Never to let you go. You're the one for me. Oh, your heart is my home. Oh, your heart is my home. Oh, your heart is my home. Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about? This woman is still not here by this time and we have a meeting. What's the time? I mean, what's the sudden obsession with helping a madman? Tell me, Leo, who wants to help a madman recover? This woman is seriously getting on my nerves. See, Leo, if this lady is not ready to come here, you act like Clinton. Press this laptop very well. Let's get this cash and leave this place. I'm tired. I'm tired of doing yes, ma, thank ma. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm tired. Press this laptop very well. Let's get our cash, liquid cash, and leave this place, Leo.
What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know what it looks like you are doing. Please punch this laptop very well. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Amanda. Sorry, with all due respect, I would like to emphasize that this project has to be over as soon as possible, seeing as our company's reputation relies solely on it.
Your friend is sick. You're aware of that, right? And you understand I have to attend to him before coming to the office.
I understand.
Or is this something I'm not getting? Something I'm missing that you want to talk about?
Oh, no, ma. Actually, as a matter of fact, that's the real reason why I want us to complete this project in good time, because I don't want the clients to know that our CEO is on sick leave.
You have a point, Leo. So what are we looking at today?
Yeah, so far these are the projections we have for the ad campaign, and these are like some of the ad agencies that we have spoken with. If you look on the left side of this column, you find out that we have contacted some people here.
Oh, him?
Yeah.
Did you talk to them?
Yes, we were able to speak to him, and he said he can
Positive.
come in for a meeting tomorrow. Yeah.
Great, it works.
There we go. Okay. Another one. Do you want more? Here. Hey. Should I give you water? Drink. Okay. That's enough for now.
Mama, I don't like the way you cry whenever I feed your son. I'm getting so uncomfortable. What's going on?
Amanda. It's my conscience flogging me. I remember years back when my son brought you to the village to see me. I didn't even welcome you for a minute. Look at you today. So selfless. Taking care of my son. I wonder.
Mama, it's fine, okay? I don't really hang on to that. Besides, whatever happened or however you treated me shaped me to who I am today and in my career. So, I don't regret it. It's fine.
I am still sorry. Amanda, you are simply a gold. I can't believe I made my son, who loves you so much, lose out on you. I have never seen him in any serious relationship since you left him. Amanda, I know if you were still in his life, he would not be in this country.
Mama, you didn't make me leave Clinton. But he made me leave him.
How? How?
Remember the day you asked me to go fetch firewood? I believe you were not expecting me to come back so quick. When I came back, I went to the backyard to drop it. Then I overheard you and him having a conversation where you asked him to break up with me. You asked him to cut off the relationship. And then he answered, okay, Mama. Mama, you see that word? Okay, Mama. That is what broke me. That is what ruined whatever we used to share in the past. That was the end of it. That was what made me to leave and never look back. Mama, that word shattered me into pieces. That word made me realize I was worthless. That word has not been able to leave my heart nor my heart. I have carried that word, the pain it carries. He said, okay, Mama. Like in other words, he didn't even think twice. He didn't even consider my feelings. He didn't even ask how I was going to take it.
Is that why you left?
Did you just talk?
Amanda, I'm not mad.
Lord of Jesus.
All this was a plan.
What?
But I'll explain that to you later. Amanda, you lied to me. And then you left me. Saying that all I had were dreams without finances. And then you left and you blocked me.
I blocked you, Clinton. Yes. Because what you said to your mother was proof that you never loved me. You never cared about me. So I had to walk away from it. You said yes. You said okay. That was proof. That was enough proof that you did not love me.
But can't you see that you didn't get the full conversation?
How would I?
You didn't hear what she said from the beginning.
But I heard what you said. I heard what you said. And what you said is what broke me. You never cared about me.
Amanda, let me explain things to you. My mother here did ask me to leave you.
That's it.
And I said no. And then she later asked me to choose between her and you. I knew exactly where my heart was. So I stayed back waiting for you to return so that we could leave. But guess what, Amanda? You never came. I waited and waited and waited for you, Amanda, but you never showed up. Amanda, I was hurt. Amanda, I missed you because I wasn't ready to leave you, Amanda.
Can you stop?
My daughter, what I saw going on between you and my son, back then I didn't see any future. I just felt you both were wasting your time. I just thought that a young man with dreams and ideas with no finance should focus on himself and not on a woman. I didn't know that two heads are better. Amanda, I have made my mistakes. I beg you, please, forgive me, please. I beg you. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I beg you, please.
It's fine. It's fine, okay? It's fine. I didn't know any of this. I'm just finding out now. I was judging based on what I heard. What I heard him say. It's fine. It's fine, I forgive you. Like I said, it's in the past now.
You, Amanda.
Back to you. What's all this madness act for?
Amanda, I'll explain everything to you the minute Leo and Thelma gets here. But if there's anything I want you to know, is that I never stopped loving you. And I missed you. And I think we have a lot to talk about. So please, can you take a seat? Please.
And where the hell is that madman Clinton? Oh yeah, take. Clinton, sign this document and let me get out of this place. For these people to go and dump you in the psychiatric hospital, they left you here to scratch someone's eyes or chop off someone's ears. Take. Take. Sign it. Clinton, sign this and let me leave this place, Joe. Am I speaking in tongues or something?
Why did you want me dead?
What do you mean by why do I want you dead? Nurse, what medication are you giving to him? Seems like it is affecting him mentally. What do you mean by why do I want you dead? Please sign this thing and let me get out of this place.
So Thelma, what was your plan? To get my signature, sell my company and run away with my money. Not knowing that the person you planned with was not even with you.
I didn't want you there.
The police has surrounded this premises as we speak. And we want nothing but the truth. So I'll ask you two questions. What did you put in my drink when I came to your house?
I didn't put him. It's just just white powder. I didn't want to kill you, sir. I didn't want to kill you.
And why did you terminate the baby?
Sir, you were mad. You were completely mad, and there was no sign of you recovering anytime soon now. I can't have a baby for a madman. My friends, they will mock me. They will laugh at me that my child's father is a madman. That's why I terminated the pregnancy.
Amanda, as you can see, I was never mad. I and Leo actually planned this after she told me about her stupid traditions. We spoke at length and then we decided to play the madman card to see if she would run or stay. My mom and the nurse are also aware of this plan. And while we were going with the process, Nkechi left me. And she took my valuables with her and my jewelries. Thelma wanted me dead. If not for you here, that was never in the picture.
So I can explain. You did not tell you the entire truth. What he told you is not the truth, sir. I promise you, I never wanted you to die. Why would I want my boss to be dead? Why? I'm a child of God. I can't wish you dead. I'm not a bad person, Mama. I'm not a bad person. He didn't tell you the truth. If it's about the baby, we'll have another one. Maybe this time it'll be triplets. That one, it was just one. You know that?
You know, honestly, I would have loved to deal with you myself. But I'd rather hand you over to the police. Now get out!
I used to pray for you. I was doing fasting and prayer 7 days. And Mama, please help me. Auntie Amanda, please help me to beg you. No, let me alone. Let me pray because I promise you, I did not. Let me alone. Let me alone.
Amanda. I'm sorry.
You held my hand when I had none, stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain. You held my hand when I had none, stayed with me when all hope was gone. You saw the man behind the pain. You loved me through the pouring rain. She's here for love, never to let you go again. You're the one for me. Oh, your heart is my home. my home. Oh, your heart is my home. Oh, your heart